I'm in a Gerber Center at Augustana College in Rock Island. We have some Kone elevators. This one just goes to 4. 2 and 4, that's it. I think these used to serve a 3rd floor, and all they did was they literally just changed the 3rd floor to a 2 on the indicator and got rid of the buttons for 3. So now they're a pair of express elevators. That's funny though. 4, 2, and then main 2. There's also known as the Center for Student Life. All right, we're gonna end it up with the 4th floor. This is kind of an odd set of elevators based on the floors it goes to. That's my popcorn. Anyway, that will be it.